There, I just have to share with you one of the coolest products that I use every day from Seint. And I think that you would really like it too, especially if you're into eyeshadows and you're trying different techniques. I want to show you something that I never even knew existed until I started using Seint. And that is the brush cleaning tile. So I have like a really big palette here with all of my eyeshadows, but it's this. This thing is so cool. So this right here, it magnetizes right into your palette. And what it is it's like a little sponge. See that? And so in between your, let's say you're putting on your eyeshadow, and in between, all you do is go like this, and it's ready for the next color. So for example, I always like to do, if you watch my videos, I always like to start doing light, medium, dark. So it doesn't really totally matter, but let's say I'm doing something crazy and I'm going from like this one to this one, or a darker one, or I had this one on last night and now I want to get into here. After I'm using this one, putting a little on here and there, and I want to now go into something lighter, but look at my brush. Then I take my tile, which by the way also magnetizes right into there. And then all I do is just clean it off like this, so that the next time I'm going into, let's say, like a light color like this, then the color isn't on there anymore. So it's a really cool little thing. It's under the tools and brushes tab on the Seint website, but I have these all over. Like I've bought a bunch of them and I just have them in different palettes when I have shadows. And that way, when you don't have time to wash it in between, I mean, you could just get a bunch, you could get a couple different brushes. I always have a couple extra eyeshadow brushes on hand. But when I'm doing something quick or when I'm traveling, I like to bring this because I don't have to actually wash it with soap and water in between. So take a look at this. The brush cleaning tile goes right into your palette and it helps with eyeshadow colors. That's it.